Welcome and study with Tanzania Institute of Education.
Ammonia is an alkaline gas with a pungent and choking smell. It is a compound of nitrogen and hydrogen and has many industrial applications. It can be used directly as fertilizer. This gas is less dense than air. The aim of this experiment is to prepare a dry sample of ammonia and test its properties. Ammonia can be prepared in small quantities by heating any alkali with any ammonium salt. Requirements: 2 gas jars, 3 plastic spoons, a cardboard, a rubber stopper, petri dish, drying tower, a round-bottomed flask, delivery tube, a Bunsen burner, 2 retort stands with clamps. Chemicals: calcium hydroxide, ammonium chloride, calcium oxide, and blue and red litmus papers. Procedure: mix up equal amount of calcium hydroxide and ammonium chloride in a petri dish. After mixing, transfer the mixture into a round-bottomed flask. Take a drying tower and in it put some amount of calcium oxide. After doing this, set up the apparatus. When you set up the round-bottomed flask, make sure that you set it in a tilting position so as to prevent the running back of the condensed water into the flask, as it can make it crack. Place a cardboard over a drying tower so that you can invert gas jar. Connect the delivery tube to the drying tower. Take blue and red litmus papers, wet them and insert into a gas jar. Insert blue and red litmus papers into a gas jar. After doing it, invert a gas jar over a drying tower so as to collect the gas. The function of calcium oxide in the drying tower is to dry the gas. Now observe what will happen to the blue and red litmus papers. As you have seen, red litmus paper has been changed into blue. This shows that ammonia gas is basic. It is the only common alkaline gas. This reaction can be shown by a reaction equation that ammonium chloride reacts with calcium hydroxide under heat to give calcium chloride, water, and ammonia gas. The solubility of ammonia gas can be tested by using fountain experiment. Requirements: apparatus, a water trough, round-bottomed flask, or you can use a large test tube, glass tube with jet fixed to a rubber band, a beaker, and a dropper. Chemicals: phenolphthalein indicator. Take a round-bottomed flask and invert it over a drying towel. Then heat the mixture of calcium hydroxide and ammonium chloride to obtain ammonia gas. Take a water trough and half fill it with water. Add few drops of phenolphthalein indicator into water. Then stir the solution. Remove a round-bottomed flask with ammonia. Cover it by using a glass tubing fixed to a rubber band. Immerse a rubber tubing into a water trough and allow a drop of water to enter the tube. And observe what will happen. When a drop of water is released into the round-bottomed flask containing ammonia, the ammonia gas is dissolved into the water and creates a partial vacuum. This creates low pressure in the round-bottomed flask. Water containing the phenolphthalein indicator rises into the tube to fill the vacuum and dissolves more ammonia. This process creates a fountain. Ammonia dissolves in water to make an alkaline solution which changes phenolphthalein indicator from colorless to purple. Ammonia is an alkaline gas which has great affinity for water. Ammonia gas has reducing characteristics.